Hi, I'm Chad. In this video, we will look at how you can add users to your Boma account. In Boma, you have the ability to add multiple users to your account. To do so, navigate to the Settings menu. In the submenu to the left, click on Team. Here, enter the details of the new user. This will include email, first name, last name, and the type of user that they will be marked as. The two users that you can choose from are admin and standard. The admin user type has the ability to see anything within the system and also make changes to your account. The standard user can do everything, except they are restricted from viewing or updating any billing information, adding additional users, or exporting CSVs. If you scroll down on the same page, you will be able to see who has access to your system. If a user has since left the business, you can remove them by clicking on Remove next to their name and email. If you have any further questions about adding users to your Boma account, feel free to reach out to our support team on support@bomamarketing.com or simply use the chat bubble in your Boma account. Thanks so much, and bye for now.